everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be trying one of those pearl pours I've seen. Actually, I just recently saw Kim on Hart Acrylic Art is her channel. I'll put a link in the description so you can check her out. She just did one that turned out awesome, so I want to give it a whirl. I have not tried yet this pearl pour, so it'll be interesting to see if it works or not. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much, everyone. I love all the comments, all the thumbs up. Keep them coming. It really does make my day. And also, my friend, who also has a YouTube channel, she's trying to reach 2,000 subscribers. And she's like this close. She's so close. So if any of you have not seen Minot Petit Art, go to her channel. I will put the description link in my description, a link to her channel. Please go check her out. Give her some love and hit subscribe. She is so close to her goal and I'd love to see her hit it. You never know, by the time this video gets edited and uploaded, she may have already hit it. But she's an awesome artist, awesome lady. Please go check her out. And again, her link will be in the description. Okay, let's do this. I've got metallics happening. These are 1-to-1 ratio. If I have 2 ounces of metallic paint in, I've got 2 ounces of Floetrol mixed in with a tiny little bit of Liquitex Gloss pouring medium just to add a little punch. I've got aqua, this one is the Treasures Gold Aquamarine. So I've got the Sapphire, the Treasures Gold Aquamarine. These 3 are Deco Arts, Amethyst and Pearl. So that's what I've mixed my paints up with right there. They're all the same consistency, same amount of paint, same amount of Floetrol. Okay, my black base is just the Artist Loft Black Flow Acrylic mixed with Floetrol. Okay, I'm just going to pour some paint down and fingers crossed that this works. Because the one I saw Kim at Hart Acrylic Art do it, hers was fabulous. So I'm just going to put some paint down. Now this is a 16 by 20 canvas, so I'm going to have to be a little bit generous with the paint. Make sure I have enough because I don't have a base down. I usually start with a base. But to have the pearl effect, basically the base goes on over top and you give it a quick tilt. From anything that I've watched, that's how we're going to do it. I'm just going to do a couple of layers of this. People are probably watching going, wow, that's a lot of paint. But that's the fun of it. Making a big mess. Pouring paint everywhere. Okay. Put a bit more of this pearl down. Okay, I think that's lots of paint. Now I'm going to put the black right in the center. This should be plenty. Now, from what I understand, you have to tilt it quickly, so that's what I'm going to do. From one end to the other. Sorry if you're losing my footage here. Well, let's do this one. Did we do enough paint? I sure hope so. Make sure my corners are covered, which they are. Let me give it a little turn here. I see cells coming up. Now this has no silicone in it, just the metallic. There we go, all my corners are covered. Excellent. Let's let it do its thing for a minute and then I'll give it a quick torch. Got black paint all over my hands. It's going to go everywhere. Okay, let's torch it. Okay. Let's let it do its thing. I might have to get Greg to fast forward this a little bit because it does take a bit of time for those cells to pop up. The little pearls, I should call them. It's doing good so far. Down here you can really see it. So give this area a bit more of a torch. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a lift. Can you see all those pearls coming up? Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. This is really cool the way it just pops up like that. I'll lift it like this for you guys. Look at all those. And as it sits, it's going to do it more and more. So I give it one more torch if I've done it enough already. Got the aquamarine greens coming up here, sapphire blues, some of the pearl, some more pearl over here. This is really neat. I can't stop watching it. Just this area here I'm hoping gets more, because this is just excellent. And they are popping, I can see some. So pretty. Okay, I think I need to do one more little torch here. Maybe I didn't tilt this area enough. I'm not sure. Alrighty, we're going to let this do its thing. I will take a picture of this in about 10 minutes. And I will post it at the end of this video so you can see exactly how it looks 10 minutes later. Alright everybody, thanks very much for watching. I'll give another quick little tilt so you can see how awesome all those pearls are that are coming up. And again, I will take a picture 10 minutes from now and I'll post the final product. Alright, thanks again everyone. Remember, hit subscribe. Go check out Manon Petit Art. Her channel will be in the description. Let's help her get to her 2,000 subscribers. Thanks, everyone.